I just want to go through quickly the filters and just to show you how they work because they can get a bit confusing. So the dates we've gone through in another video. Portfolio I'll go through in another video as well. So the portfolios are if you separate your transactions. For example, you have person A, person B, company B, trust A, trust B, super fund A, super fund B. You get the idea. The brokers, if you use multiple brokers to purchase transactions, that will appear here. So let's say you use CompSec, you use SelfWealth, you use HelloStake. So you'll be able to filter out, if you want, by the brokers. Now, you can mix and match brokers, it's not a problem, but portfolios, you can't mix and match. Now, tickers, for example, if you want to just do one security, you can just select it here, or you can select all tickers. Sometimes, however, if we go to our extensions and we reset the downloads, when it comes to tickers, we'll see there's nothing there. So to get our tickers back, we go to update prices, and that will download all the tickers and company information and sector information. So then they will appear again. The other two, best you leave them on default. It's for advanced users. Now, if we set this to completed, for example, then this option disappears because this option here can't do its calculations on completed transactions. So, or if we put all transactions, again, this option here is invalid because it can't calculate based on all the transactions. The only way this method here can be calculated is through the incomplete transactions. So I might even remove this in the next version depending on your feedback. But for now, I have kept it here. And the profit and loss trades, so this is a filter. We can show only break-even trades, show loss trades, and show profitable trades. By default, keep this show all and this as incomplete default. Otherwise, you might get confused when you're saying, well, where is my transactions? So for example, I've got some transactions here, Abacus, and these are profitable transactions. And some lost transactions. So if I change this value to lost transactions, this is still okay. And the list will only show the 2 lost transactions. Now, if I go to profitable trades, I'll get an alert here because this is not a profitable trade and it violates the rule. So if we click on this, a new range appears, which we can select as, and these are all profitable trades. We also have the option of using the capital gain discount trades or highest profit, but the highest profit will show the highest profit, and then once the profit is finished, it will start showing the lost trades. These ones, the capital gain discounts, will show trades with capital gain discounts and non-capital gain discount trades with profit. So this is an example of further filters, which I have discussed in another video. Okay, so let's say we change this again to break-even trades. And we can see we've got 2 exclamation marks. So it says there are no break-even trades at the moment. Where in fact, there is. I'll show you. I did create a break-even trade with ANZ. However, the sell date is August 2021, and in my worksheet I've got up to the June 2021. So if I change this to September, the ANZ trade will appear. And that's the only trade that appears because that's the only trade that's breaking even. The other thing is we've got here show transactions. Sometimes you might want to go back and see the completed transactions. So if we go to completed, or we can select the all transactions, we can go through and see all the completed transactions. So in this instance, it shows the FKP transactions as 0 units available. So let's go back here and we can go to incomplete, which is recommended, and the FKP transactions are gone. And only ANZ appears because we've got this filter. So good to set these two as default. So now it's just the ABP and ANZ.